Good morning. It's Saturday the 17th of August 2025 at 10:40. I'm working on a speaker. The speaker's not working apart from the bass speaker. So here we are. That speaker's down there that I'm looking at. The speaker's not working all of a sudden, so I'm going to take it out and replace it with a high wattage speaker, like 150 watts or 140 watts. And over here is the tweeter. The tweeter is small, so I've got a replacement tweeter and a replacement woofer. I'll just turn the speaker around so you can see the name in the right way. Interesting. That speaker there I'm looking at, I'm filming, is blind. So I'm not sure what it is, but I'm going to replace it with an 8 ohm speaker at 140 watts. And down there is the tweeter. So this speaker was given to me from Pastor Gary of Activate Church. I'm going to have to take the speaker out and replace it with a new speaker. Don't have any in stock. So this is all about Matthew audio and visual equipment. So the speaker here is blind. So this morning my goal was to unscrew the speaker out, unplug it from the crossover, and test it separately. If it works, I'll put it back in. If it doesn't, I'll replace it with a new one. So the speaker looks like this. This is the other one. This one's working fine. And I'm going to be building over here, speakers over here. Oh, I can't, there's 2 speakers there, just can see. I'm going to put new speakers in them, a new mid-range, new woofer. And the difference is this speaker will be powered. It'll have a 140 watt amplifier, and it'll be Bluetooth. So the Bluetooth will be reconfigured as left speaker A and right speaker B. And it'll be 150 watts, those speakers. And over here is another speaker. That works alright. So if you're liking my YouTube videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. And share with your friends and family. So I'm doing the speaker up, as you can see inside, and then replacing or testing, then replacing. Like, subscribe, and share. The power is yours. Have a nice day.